Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Krishna, in this form of Supersoul, is situated in everyone's heart. Furthermore, there is no difference between the innumerable Supersouls present in the innumerable hearts of living entities. Nor is there a difference.
The example, just like there is one sun in the sky, but if you keep on the earth millions of water pots, you will find in each water pot the reflection of the sun. Or another example, at noon time, you just inquire from your friend 10,000 miles away, where is the sun? He will say, on my head. So, millions and trillions of people will see sun on his head. But the sun is one. And the another example, the water pot, the sun is one, but if there are millions of water pots, you will find each pot the sun is reflected. Similarly, there may be innumerable living entities. There is no count. Jiva jasankha. In the Vedic language, it is said that living entities, there is no count, innumerable. So similarly, Vishnu is, if a material thing like sun can be reflected in each and every water pot, so why not the Supreme Personality Godhead Vishnu live in each and every one's heart? It is not difficult to understand. He is living. That is stated. And the yogi has to concentrate his mind on that Vishnu form. So, this Vishnu form is plenary portion of Krishna. So, one who is engaged in Krishna consciousness, he is already a perfect yogi. That will be explained. He is a perfect yogi. That will explain in the last verse of this chapter. Go on.
Nor is there a difference between a Krishna conscious person, always engaged in the transcendental loving service of Krishna, and the perfect yogi, engaged in meditation on the Supersoul.
There is no difference. A yogi who is in samadhi, trance, with the Vishnu form, and a Krishna conscious person, there is no difference. Go.
The yogi in Krishna consciousness, even though he may be engaged in various activities while in material existence, remains always situated in Krishna. A devotee of the Lord, always acting in Krishna consciousness, is automatically liberated.
That we'll find in this Bhagavad Gita in the 12th chapter, that one who is mancha vyabhicharini bhakti yogina je sevate sagunan samatitayetan brahma bhuyaya kalpate. It is said that one who is engaged in unalloyed devotional service unto me, he has already transcended the material modes of nature. Brahma bhuyaya kalpate. He is on the Brahma platform. That means liberated. To become liberated means to be situated on the Brahma platform. There are three platforms. The bodily platform or sensual platform, then mental platform, then spiritual platform. That spiritual platform is called Brahma platform. So, to become liberated means to stand on the Brahma platform. conditioned soul. We are, at the present moment, we are on the platform of this bodily concept of life, or sensual platform. Those who are a little above, they are on the mental platforms, speculating, philosophers. And above this platform, there is Brahma platform. So, you will find in the Bhagavad Gita 12th chapter, or 14th chapter I think, that one who is in Krishna consciousness, he is already on the Brahma platform. That means liberated. Go on.
In the Narada Pancharatra, this is confirmed in this way. By concentrating one's attention on the transcendental form of Krishna, who is all-pervading and beyond time and space, one becomes absorbed in thinking of Krishna, and then attains the happy state of transcendental association with Him. Krishna consciousness is the highest stage of trance in yoga practice. This very understanding that Krishna is present as Paramatma in everyone's heart makes the yogi faultless. The Vedas confirm this inconceivable potency of the Lord as follows. Vishnu is one, and yet He is certainly all-pervading. By His inconceivable potency, in spite of this one form, He is present everywhere. As the sun, He appears in many places at once.
Yeah. That example I have already given. As the sun can be present in many places simultaneously. Similarly, Vishnu form or Krishna can be present in everyone's heart. He is actually present. Ishara sarvabhutanam riddeshe arjuna. He is sitting. The localization is also stated. Riddesha. Riddesha means in the heart. So concentration of yoga means to find out from the heart where Vishnu is sitting. There is. Go on.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.